what's up, guys? Man, hey, it's a beautiful day to slide. You saw the last video. I got the Harley bags on, and I'm going to my paint guy, see what kind of pinstripes I can get it on it, or maybe he can just match the bags up, but we'll see. Come on, slide with me. We're gonna stop at 362.
That where you gonna meet you?
No, we're gonna stop there so I can put the GPS on.
That over there with the 8 phone. Top down. 15. Is it brand new?
No, I got it with 9,000.
Shit, he's a nice bike.
Twin cam or a twin cam? Twin cam. What's
It's a 103, same thing.
Yeah. Oh, so that's the new 103. That's the last real twin cam.
This one is 2016.
Yeah.
Last time it ran.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I like my 103, man.
Oh yeah.
I like the feature. I like that.
That's nice, man. Y'all got some nice bikes.
Tribal lights. Dan, y'all know Katie Customs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dan, he put these on here for me. So he has
Okay.
different lights, man. So he's like, I got some in he got some in the garage. He put those on.
Now that worked with that bike though.
Yeah.
That's what he told me.
Yeah.
He's like, let's go with this bike.
Mhm.
You got air ride?
No, it has a lower kit on it, like a 2.
Now those 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches?
These are 1.5.
That's see.
That's the bar.
That what I.
But that's inch and a quarter.
No,
No,
it's 1.5
That's inch and a half. Oh, they even bigger, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
There's your meat hooks. You
so
want.
since these are real big, I had to put bolts in them because they kept fucking loosening up.
Oh, okay.
Where'd you have to put the bolt? Underneath that?
Underneath the riser.
Yeah.
So Dan put two long bolts so that, and he like kind of
Hard to drill through.
yeah.
But like you said, that's the meat hook. That's the ones I want
He
right
wants
there.
1.5 inches with meat hooks.
Meat hooks, yeah.
Oh, they Kawasaki.
I got a road glide that has
What size you looking for?
1.5.
About 12.
Close.
But they're
I
47.
don't want to be too, you know.
Yeah, too high.
Yeah. Well, I mean, basically I don't want to have to change the wiring and all that stuff. So I think
You saw that wiring with the 12?
right with the 12s, I'm still good without changing out anything. So that's why I say 12. I'll be, good enough with 12.
Yeah.
12, 14, either one. They should be pretty close.
Yeah, it's not that big of a difference
Right.
between the 12 and 14.
Yeah, so either one of those. Now these are higher for me. These about what?
These are
18.
18, yeah. See, that's a little high for me. But yeah, 12s, 14s, I don't have to change no wiring out. Just do the swap.
Day to day, man.
Yes, sir. Yesterday and today. Yeah, I took those during leather bags off. I wanted something I could lock. So he modified those.
They still need some tweaking. Those are for
Yeah, he modified them and to do much, it came with his own bracket. So
It came with this bracket?
Yeah, it came with that bracket. I took my old bracket off. So this whole bracket that go under and around, yeah, it came with the bracket. So
It's funny to see right here. Yeah. They have some brackets that are more narrow. Yeah. These are the short ones. They usually have the long ones, but they're for like the specials. Oh,
right.
The road glass.
Yeah, the long ones didn't work, so we tried them.
Good when you cutting curves.
Right.
Carving the curves.
So those are just right. You know, he wanna do some more tweaking on it, but that's cool. He the man. That was the only modification he had to do though. That's the only real modification. Took all of this off to get in there. We just got a lot of spaces in there. Other than that. Well, I'm just gonna go with the bike color.
Oh, you're gonna match bags?
Yeah, I'm just gonna match the bags to the bike. And so I want to see how many $1,000 he gonna charge me. So he already hit me to. He say, "Hey man, you realize painting went up?" I'm like, I already know what he talking about. I already know what he's saying.
You want to play, you gotta pay.
Right, that's what he's saying. Told me to blow. I got it.
Wait a minute, you got the kickstand down?
Yeah. I foot slipped in the darn gravel.
Ready?
Yeah. It slipped in the gravel.
Be careful of your back.
Foot slipped in the gravel. It just slipped out.
Oh yeah, dude.
How you doing?
I did a guy's, a guy came with a Hayabusa. And I said, well, what I'm getting at is he pulled all the wheels and all that off. And I said, Daryl, I will try to paint. I've only got a pint of paint, dude.
All right, man.
All right, y'all take care.
All righty. Look, man, I slipped right there and got a scratch in my bag already at the bottom. The whole bike had to lay it down. I couldn't hold it.
I dropped my bike yesterday too.
Hey, we'll stop at that gas station at 362. Hey man, I wish I could have showed you the inside of the shop, man. It was really amazing. But my paint guy is a really private dude, really cool guy. But he asked that I not, film on the inside. So I, respect his wishes. But man, as soon as I got there, I dropped the bike. Wow. But that's okay. He said he's gonna have to sand it down anyway. So he sent me to Kawasaki dealership so we can get a paint match or get the paint cold. And I'll show you more in another video. We're gonna slide on down the street, my son and I, and we're gonna meet up with another Kawasaki rider. I had never met this guy before, but that's one of the great things about riding a motorcycle, man. You meet so many new people. And that's one of the things I enjoy. Just going out meeting other riders on the road. You know, when we stop and take a break or stop and get something to eat or stop at the gas station, then you get to talk to some good brothers, man. Yeah, you just get to meet some great people. We've been there since, I know, over an hour before you even called. Alright, so let me put y'all on video right quick. Put y'all on video. Gotta put it for the channel. Here's another Cowie. Here's my son on his 636 Ninja, and this is my baby right here, and we sliding, baby.